It's that time of the year again, back to school season. Everybody's getting ready to get back to school, buying their school supplies and whatnot. Everybody's buying their Nike Dunks or their New Balance 550s to wear on the first day of school, and you're probably watching this video thinking about what kind of shoes you want to buy to put in your rotation to look fresh and whatnot when school starts again. Well, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. 5 shoes that I believe are perfect to put in your rotation if you don't have them already. And this is more specifically tailored towards college students, as you can tell by the title. Now you might be wondering, why would it be college students? Well, I kind of wanted to base this off of my own experience of 5 shoes that I had in my rotation while in school. I just graduated college, and I just wanted to share with you all 5 shoes that I think are essential in the rotation that help get me through my 4 years at college. Now this is just meant to be like a fun list, there's no criteria going into this. This is all just based off of my opinions and experience, so don't take it too seriously. Before I start the list, I wanted to quickly say, if you're a current college student or a recent grad like myself, please share and recommend in the comments down below shoes that you keep in your rotation and you think will be perfect for a back to school video like this one. Let's get a discussion going, let's keep it fun, and with that being said, let's not waste any more time and let's get right into the list. Alright, so starting this list off at number 5, I want to get this one out of the way because this is the one that I'm pretty sure everyone is going to have on their back to school list. And that's not Nike Dunks or Jordan 1s, it's actually Air Force 1s. I'm going to throw up a clip on screen right now of my own personal Air Force 1s. I know they're beat, I know they're dirty, you don't have to roast me, but these are what got me through my 4 years of college, straight up. Like, I wore these almost every day, all day. They're just comfortable, they go with almost everything, so you can just throw them on, head to class, go wherever you need to go, and head home. But we all know how it is with Air Force 1s. You don't need me to explain it. They're timeless, they're classic, they go with everything. So if you don't have a pair of Air Force 1s for back to school, put those on your list. Moving on to number 4, I hope you guys don't consider this a cop-out, but it's not an exact model, it's just black shoes or black sneakers in general. On screen right now I have the pair of black shoes that I wore mostly in college, and it's a pair of Converse. It's a Converse collaboration with Kim Jones on the Chuck 70. I don't really know what these are called, I just remember I bought them and I really like the look of them. But the reason why I recommend black shoes is because, it's nice to have all these colorful shoes and whatnot, but sometimes you just need a dark color. And whether you're trying to pull off an all black outfit, or it's maybe the weather is bad, like it's rainy outside, you don't want to get your white shoes or your light colored shoes messy. I mean, you can if you want, but some days you're just gonna need a black shoe, man, and that can be anything. Like it could be a pair of Chucks, like what I showed. It could be a pair of skates, Vans old school skate highs. Could be some Doc Martens. It can be, whatever. You know what? You can even kill 2 birds with 1 stone and take the Air Force 1 that I suggested for number 5 and make it a black Air Force 1. And we know how it is with black Air Force 1s. It's all jokes. If you want to wear them, go for it, man. Like I said, we don't judge over here, so. But my point is, you're gonna need a black pair of shoes or dark colored pair of shoes, whatever it is, for those days that you just want to pull off an all black look, or it's raining outside, whatever it may be. Get yourself a pair of all black shoes. For number 3 on this list, I wanted to get into some Jordans, and I wore a lot of Jordans in college, but by far my favorite Jordan model, and I mentioned this in my top 5 upcoming Air Jordan releases. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But my all-time favorite Jordan model is got to be the Air Jordan 3. Now I'm gonna throw up a clip of a pair of 3s I own. These are the UNC Jordan 3s, but it can be any colorway. You can never go wrong with a pair of 3s, man. And to me, they're comfortable. Like it was I love to wear them on campus because, similar to the Air Force 1, it was just a shoe that I could wear all day when I'm traveling from class to class, building to building. Jordan 3s are fresh, they're stylish, and they're comfortable, to me at least. I know we all, have our own opinions on how shoes feel, but I couldn't recommend the Jordan 3 enough, man. My favorite Jordan model. So if you're thinking about getting a pair of 3s, don't hesitate, go for it. Add these to your back to school shopping list. So we talk a little bit about comfort in number 3 with the Air Jordan 3. Now I want to get into some legit comfort here at number 2 with the Yeezy Boost 700s. I'm going to throw up a clip right now of my Yeezy Boost 700s. These are the analog colorway, which by the way are a pretty good shoe to buy right now. I know Yeezys and especially like 700s are pretty expensive on the pricier side for sure. But the analogs, I believe the prices shouldn't be that bad because there was an insane amount of restocks on Yeezy Day. So I would definitely recommend the analogs. The colorway is very simple. Even if you're not a big fan of the 700s or like chunky dad type shoes, these you can rock. Anybody can rock these, and like I said, they're a little bit more affordable, I think, compared to other Yeezys. But all in all, man, very comfortable shoe. You can't go wrong with Boost. Some of the best comfort technology out there. So definitely add this to your back to school shopping list if you haven't already. Check these out, Yeezy Boost 700 analogs. And at number 1, we have one of my personal favorite shoes that I currently own, especially towards the end of my college career, and that's the New Balance 650R's ALD collaboration. I'm going to throw up a clip on screen right now of my personal pair. These are the green colorway. I bought these shoes for myself as a way to celebrate my graduation because my school colors are green, shout out Portland State. But yeah, these are another pair of shoes that I could wear all day, every day. And in my opinion, I prefer the 650 high top version more than the low top 550 version. That's just my personal opinion. We can all think our own ways, but yeah, man, this is my number 1 shoe I would recommend to you all if you're looking to add some shoes to your back to school list. The New Balance 650Rs, they're not incredibly expensive either. I'm pretty sure they're only a little bit above 200. So if you can afford that, I would definitely recommend putting this on your list and picking them up. I'm gonna try and pick up all the other colorways to add to my collection. But with that being said, that pretty much wraps up everything I wanted to say in this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said at the start of the video, this was supposed to just be, a fun little top 5 list. Don't take it too seriously. These are all just based off of my own experience. And if you have any shoes you want to recommend to each other, please let them leave them down in the comments below. Let's get a discussion started. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.